stupid, corny, idiotic. I cannot believe I did this. Stupid loser, son of a... I could be at home instead of... Ugh, stupid Rain Man.
Meredith.
Where have you been? I've been waiting and waiting for you. And I did this stupid, embarrassing, humiliating, corny thing. And I was just going to tell you that this over here is our kitchen. And this is our living room. And over there, that's the room where our kids could play. I had this whole thing about I was going to build us a house, but I don't build houses because I'm a surgeon. And now I'm here feeling like a lame-ass loser. I got all whole and healed, and you don't show up. And now it's all ruined because you took so long to come home. And I couldn't even find that bottle of champagne.
I can pretend, 'cause I've studied.
This is the kitchen. Living room. A little small. I think the view's much better from here. And that's the room where the kids are going to play? Where's our bedroom?
I'm still mad at you. And I don't know if I trust you. I want to trust you, but I don't know if I do. So I'm just going to try. I'm going to try and trust you because I believe that we can be extraordinary together rather than ordinary apart. And I want to be... What?
In order to kiss you the way I want to kiss you. In order to do more than kiss you. I need to speak to Rose. I want my conscience clear. So I can do more than kiss you. Stay here. Don't move. Wait for me.
And I see it all for you. I don't